Welcome to Shiksha Maths Academy. Next, see the continuation of last sum in this chapter. The complex number z has argument theta. Quadrant is 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. 0 less than theta less than 90. Okay, and satisfy the equation z minus magnitude of z minus 3i is equal to 3. Then prove that cot theta minus 6 by z is equal to I. Okay. Now, first let's see the formulas. If z is equal to x plus iy, then magnitude of z ఏమవుతుందంటే square root of x square plus y square. Okay, magnitude, it is called magnitude. Magnitude of z is equal to a square x square plus y square, and z is equal to x plus iy, so 1 by z is equal to x minus iy. Okay, is the formulas. And theta belongs to first quadrant. Theta 0 less than theta less than 90, so theta belongs to first quadrant. 90 minus theta, sorry, first quadrant. This is second quadrant. Theta belongs to first quadrant. So in first quadrant all are positive, no? All are positive. So theta lies between 0 to 90, 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Okay. Next, see the question. The complex number z has argument theta, theta less than 0 less than theta less than pi by 2, and satisfy the equation magnitude of z minus 3i is equal to 3. Then prove that cot theta is equal to 6 minus z is equal to I. Now we have to show that this equation is equal to I. LHS is equal to RHS. First, here let z is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Our consideration, z is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay, now see the given condition. Given z minus 3i is equal to 3. Given question. Okay, so what is the z value? Our assumption is cos theta plus I sin theta minus 3i is equal to 3. Okay, magnitude formula. First, cos theta, this is real part, and imaginary part I is taken as common, sin theta minus 3. This is the imaginary part. So magnitude of x plus iy is equal to, so what is the formula? Square root of x square plus y square into square root of real part whole square plus imaginary part whole square. So square root of real part into cos square theta plus imaginary part y square. This sin theta minus 3 whole square is equal to 3. Okay, now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, removing the root, that's why squaring on both sides. Cos square theta plus sin theta minus 3 whole square is equal to 3 square and 9 అవుతుంది. 3 square. Okay, so cos square theta plus is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 6 sin theta is equal to 9. This part, so what is the formula? Cos square theta plus sin square theta, this is identity, this value is 1. So 1 plus 9 minus 6 sin theta is equal to 9. Plus 9 gets cancelled. This 1 sent that side, minus 6 sin theta is equal to minus 1. Minus minus gets cancelled. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. So we'll get sin theta is equal to 1 by 6 by Pythagoras theorem. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse. So what about this part? A, B, C. So this part is 36 minus 1 to root 35. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. According to that formula, I will get BC side is root 35. Okay, and from this cos theta is equal to cos theta adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. Now, what is the given question? What do you want to show? That cot theta minus 6 by z is equal to I. Now I am taking LHS. LHS is equal to cot theta minus 6 by z. That is equal to cot theta from this diagram adjacent by opposite. Root 35 by 1 minus 6 into 1 by z can be written as 1 by z x minus iy. In this 1 by z I am writing cos theta minus I sin theta. Can I write? Why? Because 1 by z is equal to x plus iy, and then 1 by z is equal to x minus iy. That's why I am writing cos theta minus I sin theta. That is equal to root 35 by 1 into 6 into cos theta value. Cos theta value is root 35 by 6 minus I into sin theta value is 1 by 6. 1 by 6. That is equal to root 35 minus 6 is LCM. 6 is LCM. Root 35 minus I. 6 gets cancelled. Root 35 minus root 35 minus into minus plus I. So root 35 plus root 35 minus root 35 gets cancelled. I is equal to RHS. Okay. So cot theta minus 6 by z is equal to I. LHS is cot theta minus 6 by z and RHS is I. This is also very important one. Complex numbers, 4 marks. Okay. If you like the video, like and share and subscribe.